Craig with Sulcata Grove. I'm here with Valerie today, and we are going to be tasting the Sweet Tart Mango. It is now September, and so our mangoes are pretty much done for the year, and this Sweet Tart was one of our very last ones to finish out. I don't really think it's supposed to be a late season mango, but for whatever reason ours were really late this year, so we had still have a few Valencia Prides left on the tree, and these were the last of the Sweet Tarts.
And I think we have like one Valencia Pride left. So.
Yeah. Season's pretty much over.
At least for mangoes.
So Sweet Tart is one of the Zill's varieties, and they're kind of small mangoes, but the tree produces a lot of them. What do you think?
It looks really good.
It does have a very tart flavor to it. It's got some of the chalkiness. At least this one does. They don't always have the chalkiness, but
it's really good though.
It tastes got a little bit like Sweet Tart candy. It's a good mango. What do you think, Celeste?
It's one of my favorites this year. Out of our yard.
I like this and then the Glens. Or
Do
the
you?
Glens and then this.
I'm not a big fan of Glen, but I really like
They're
this
really
one.
good this year.
Glens were pretty good this year.
Yeah. These
They're-
are super flavorful.
Yeah.
But it's also like with the Glens, they never were actually bad.
Right.
This
The Glens
year.
are just kind of a little on the plain side, whereas this
They're
is
on the
got a lot
average
more
side,
rump.
like they don't get bad, but they're not always amazing. They're not amazing.
So let's see. A little citrusy.
Yeah.
It really tastes like an orange sour candy.
But not super sour. It's got a lot of sweetness to it too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really like it. I think it's well balanced.
Overall, yeah, it's really good. There's no spiciness to it. It's sweet and tart. It's got a little more chalkiness than I like, but I've had some other ones that didn't have the chalkiness. It's not really objectionable chalkiness. It's just a little more than I like. But overall, very good. I would probably give that 8.5.
I give it a 9.
Yeah. 8.5.
What would you give it, Courtney?
I'd probably give it a 9, but then again, I haven't had any good mangoes in a while.
Okay. Well, so there you have it. So if you tried this one and have any difference of opinion, we'd like to hear about it. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.
Pick the mango from the tree and the mango down to me.